May is here, bringing a burst of colors, celebrations, and yes, a super busy schedule that can overwhelm the best of us. At On the Spot, we see you. From marking Asian Pacific American Heritage Month to cheering at graduations, from celebrating Cinco de Mayo to honoring our heroes on Memorial Day, and not forgetting those special Mother's Day moments. Your days are packed with significance and celebration. We understand. Between the joy, the pride, and the solemn remembrance, your time is stretched thin. Every minute counts, and there's little room for anything else. We appreciate the sacrifices you make to keep the month meaningful for everyone around you. The early mornings, the late nights, the relentless hustle. That's why we're stepping in to ease your load. With mobile appointments that come to you and loaner vehicles that keep you moving, we're here to ensure that in this whirlwind of a month, you find a moment for yourself too. At On the Spot, we're more than a service. We're your partner in making May memorable for all the right reasons. On the Spot. Recognizing, understanding, appreciating, and simplifying your life, one service at a time. This May and every month after, we're here for you. Because we're not just about cars, we're about family, moments, and memories. Share your May with us. Contact On the Spot today and get back to celebrating what truly matters.